Okay, today we're gonna look at 3 different saws. We're gonna have a little competition. First one's a 372 Husqvarna XP saw. I got a 24-inch bar on that. That's a 3/8 pitch. This here is a Husqvarna 365 Special. I'm running a 20-inch bar on that, and a 20-inch chain. And then this here is my new saw. This is a Husqvarna 562 XP Auto Tune with a 24-inch bar and chain on it. These saws have both been ran a lot, and that one I've only run it a little bit. So we'll see how they do. So that was the 372. Now for the 365. Okay, and last, the 562 Auto Tune. Thanks for watching.